How to remove debit or credit card on Whataburger app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Whataburger app on your device. If you do not have this application, simply head over to Play Store or App Store to download this app. Then, if you are new to this, tap on the Create Account option to create a new account. If you have already created your account, tap on the Sign In option. Then enter your email ID, password, and tap on the Sign In option, or you can also sign in using your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. Once you have been logged into your account, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen and then head over to the section of payment. There you will find all of your saved payment methods. If you have not added any payment method, you can simply tap on the Add Payment Method option. Then you can select either card or PayPal option. If you select credit or debit card, you will have to enter information such as card number, expiration date, security code, name on the card, zip code, and then tap on the continue option to verify your card. Now, if you have already added your debit or credit card, you should see it on the list of saved payment methods. If you want to delete any one of that, you simply want to click on the edit button. Then from there, tap on the delete button. It is going to ask you for confirmation whether you want to remove the card or not. You simply want to confirm it. Once confirmed, the card should be removed from your account and will no longer appear in the list of payment methods. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.